Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fill up ArriveCAN app entry for coming into Canada as a Canadian citizen or a permanent resident. So I have produced similar videos before as well, but now there have been some changes after hotel quarantine and other travel rules have been implemented. So it's very important that we go through it once more. So in front of you I have opened this ArriveCAN app. So after registration, you need to click on the mode you are entering. So let's say you are coming by air from India. So first it is telling you mandatory travel requirements, like individuals 5 years of age or older are required to have and provide proof of a molecular COVID-19 test prior to boarding a flight to Canada with limited exceptions. Yes, we know that. Unless exempt, individuals must have a suitable quarantine plan for 14 days starting on the day they enter Canada. Unless exempt, individuals will be required to take a molecular COVID-19 test on arrival in Canada and on day 10 of their quarantine period. Unless exempt, individuals must stay at a Government of Canada approved hotel for the first few nights after entry into Canada. You must pre-book and prepay for a 3-night hotel reservation. So these are new changes that have been implemented and the app has been updated as well. All right. Now click on I acknowledge. Now here are two things, like if you have been tested positive for COVID in 14 to 19 days, between 14 to 19 days before your departure, then you can skip something. Like if you select yes here, it's gonna say that you don't have to go through the you don't have to take molecular COVID-19 test upon entry and on day 10. So and you can directly proceed to your final quarantine destination. So that means a lot of exceptions. If you select no, then it's again gonna repeat the rules, like negative COVID-19 test on a sample taken no more than 72 hours before the scheduled departure, or that positive test or limited exception. So you need to read all this and click on I acknowledge. Now if is your travel exempt, so I'll select no for a citizen or permanent resident. Here they have expanded, I mean they have like I mean the page is now scrollable. So click on none of the above for as a, let's say you are a Canadian permanent resident and you are coming into Canada. Let's say you are entering on Toronto Pearson International Airport Terminal 3 and you are coming by Air Canada, because Air Canada has a direct flight between New Delhi and Toronto. The flight number is AC043. Date of arrival, let's say you are coming on next Sunday and it's coming at, I think if I'm not wrong, 5:30 a.m. is the landing time for this particular flight. Next, register travel document, I selected passport. So country of issue, it's asking, I select India. Document number, so I'll just put some sample number. Surname it has asked, so let's say the person name is John Smith. Date of birth, let's say January 1992. Yeah, done. So I click on next. Now here there's an important message. Those traveling together must quarantine in the same location for the duration of their quarantine, including staying at the same government approved hotel. So keep this point in your mind, guys. If you're more traveler, click on add another traveler, but let's say John is traveling alone, so I click on next. In the next page, it's going to ask the contact details, so I'm going to freeze my screen for now. So after that screen, it asks for the phone number and email address and language of communication. So in order to protect my privacy, I did not record that portion, but you can do it easily for yourself. Let's complete your quarantine plan. Yeah, that's important. Do you have accommodation where you can quarantine for 14 days or possibly longer, but that requires only in cases if anything comes positive. Staying home and avoiding situation, and they have given. So let's say yes, you have. Can you avoid all contact with other people in the household with whom you did not travel and have no guest? Yes. Will you have access to necessities of life including water, food, medication and heat without living quarantine? Let's say yes. Are there at-risk people at the location you plan. So I select no. Is there a person at the location where you plan to quarantine who works or assists in a facility, home or workplace? Let's say no. Whatever is applicable in your case. But when you make your quarantine plan, make sure it should meet the standards. So if it meets the standard, means it will be no. Is your place of quarantine a group living environment? Let's say no. Now it is asking one very important question. Travelers entering Canada by air must stay at a Government of Canada approved hotel for first 3 nights after entry into Canada. You must pre-book and prepay for your hotel reservation. Providing false information is punishable and you can be fined. So let's say you have already booked. So it asks for the booking number. I'm just gonna enter some sample numbers here. Anyway, I'm not gonna submit this. Destination type, like after your hotel quarantine, where you will finish your quarantine. So it could be a hotel, another hotel, or same hotel if you have any plan, or returning home, or staying with friends or family, provided it meets the standards, or any other accommodation. Like many people go for now there are so many options available. So this you need to fill up. So I'm just gonna put some sample address. Dew Street. Is it gonna be accepted? Let me see. Okay. Pro Ontario city. Let's say I put Toronto. I know this address does not exist. Okay, so because what has happened, like because this address has not been found, that's why next option is not coming. So I'm gonna put a valid address. For that, again I'm gonna freeze my screen. So after that, again it asks me to complete this last step, self assessment. So it's gonna ask you for the symptoms and then you can submit it. So I'm not gonna go through this step because I don't want to submit this entry in their information system. So I hope I was able to help. Please write down your question, concerns, anything that comes in your mind. Thanks for watching.